Yes, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Once again, we're back in action today, guys. The schedule says to me, UK Fortnite, Powerball SA, Mega Million. Please, guys, also remind me about those other draws. I need to do Mega Million. I need to do Powerball videos as well today. And please watch those videos because I'm gonna be posting for you guys. But as for now, we're going to be doing UK Fortnite. You know what? I realize these guys now they are scared. I don't want to mention the presenter who's presenting, because if I mention the presenter, 5 minutes after the draw they change, they say scary or Dave. So now we're getting confused. This thing, even last year I did fight with these guys of why are they changing the presenters, because when we predict according to the presenter. We know, it's like I know what this presenter is using. So now I'm not going to say anything about the presenters, because that's what they did yesterday. I said it's Helen. After 5 minutes, they changed. Helen is sick. Is this guy Dave coming? So what kind of a game is that? They must be clear to us and be fair. It's a challenge. We're challenging them. So now they don't know what to do. They're bringing Gary or Dave. I'm not talking bad, but it's true. It's like in football. If they say the striker is this guy, the striker have to be that guy. It can't be after the match, they're changing, they're putting someone else. Let's be fair. Please, UK Fortnite, if you guys are listening. Because we need a fair game here. We are also using our money, our voucher to play. So you guys also must think about that. We are predicting for our people to win, not for them to lose. So if you're changing presenters, we end up getting confused. If you say the presenter for today is Tony, that must be Tony. If it's Gary, it must be Gary. If it's Daniel, it must be Daniel. Thank you very much about that. Okay, let's get to business. It's the code is 147. Okay, so guys, you know this code. You must always keep it in your mind that if you know one code 147 is code one. Once you see that code, you know that it's a boom. You understand? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do this. I'll say 1 minus 4 is a 3. So we do the same thing. We carry that 7. It gives us a 37. So our first number is going to be 37. We say, again, we go back and write it like 147. We say 4 minus 7, we get a 3. So which means this guy is coming again, 13. I'm telling you, this 13. I told you it's going to play the whole entire February, this 13, because I know why. Okay, and then after that, you're going to say 14 plus, let's say 14 plus 7, we get a 21. 14 minus 7, we get a 7. So 7 today is a sure number. Banker. So it's 7. Okay, cool. So now I'll say 4 plus 7 is 11 plus 1, that's a 12, which is what? A 21. So today 721 is a killer number. You can play it with 50 rand. Let me say 721. I don't know who's presenting. I don't even want to talk about that. So let's fix the second code, then we can do the pairing. So we say 1 plus 1, we get a 2. We carry that 5, we get a 25, which is another number that's going to repeat. We put this 25 down there. Then we say 1 plus 15 is a 16. We spin that, we make it a 19. 1 minus 15 is a 14, which means the 14 or 41 is dropping. So let's write down 14 or 41. Then now we're going to go to pairing. But before we go to our pairing, we must just be clear about this code. So it's 1 plus 5 is a 6. We carry the 1 there, we get a 16. We somerset that number, we make it a 19. So we show about that a 19 is coming, or 16. So now let's go to the pairing app and check. And these are your bonuses. Yesterday we nailed the bonus 100%. So these are bonuses 7, 8, 22, 43. These are going to be your bonuses. But in other case, on this code 147, there's 48 pending and 46. So I would recommend you guys to also consider that 49 or 46 is still pending on that code. This code can give you 4 numbers correct. Like you can say 417, 48, 46. Then the UK Fortnite people, they get confused. How did this guy create this code? How did he break this code to get the phone number? Because one day, guys, I always promise you, I'm gonna post 7 numbers correct. You guys, you play them. It's jackpot. They close UK Fortnite. That's gonna be that's my mission. I'm telling you, before this month end, something big is gonna come on this UK Fortnite Pro. We love it, so we're going to play it. Sorry about that. I'm just confident of what I do. I know. I'm not scared of these games. I've got how many years playing gambling? I've been from 2010. I'm predicting numbers until today, so I'm not scared of these games. All of them. Okay, can be Ghost Lotto, can be UK, can be Mega Million. All, as long as it's numbers, to me it's just walk over. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not like I know results. I don't know results, but I know how to predict the numbers because I'm a mathematician. You must understand that, and I teach mathematics. So this is my food. Okay, 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 3 plus 19, that's a 22, which is our bonus. 4 plus 21 is 25. 5 plus 25 is 30. 36 plus 6, that's a 41. So I'm sure about that 41 is going to drop. So let's go to our pairing app. We click there, we go to the lightning sign, we go to the triplets. Let's go to number 7 and see. And this app is the one that's going to damage them one day, trust me. With this one, you can hit 10 tickets and they'll be like, hey, what is this guy doing? So as you can see, we've got 7, 14 there. We've got 7, 14, 32. We've got 7, 19, 44. We've got 7. I'm going to skip the other ones, but this one is a killer number. 7, 19, 44. Maybe you can as well play it like 7, 19, bonus 44, and destroy. Then let's see our code. In my code, I still see an 11 there. You go again to 11. You don't just pick, eh? You have to be careful. See, there's 11, 25, 39. So you mix up your numbers according to the code, because the higher numbers like 47, you can never find it. Then you go to 14. If you go to 14, you'll understand that there is 14, 19, 30. And that side, we also have 7, 19, 30. So this is how you create 4 numbers. 7, 19, 14, 30. Trust me, guys, if you give yourself time and do this in a daily basis, you're going to strike UK Fortnite 5 numbers. Then they'll be like, wow, what did he do? Because to me, 4 numbers, I don't know how many times I've hit 4 numbers on UK Fortnite. I need 5 numbers that I'm going to stick with 10 rand on Here's-Play or Betway or Hollywood. Okay, and then there's 15. It's all about taking your time. You see 15, 21, 44. 15, 21, 44. So you collaborate now, because the 44, we've seen it there. You say 7, 21, 44, 19, 30. It's now 5 numbers. That's using this pairing app. You go there, if you see that there's a common number, you pick that number, then you do your stuff. Guys, I'm trying to teach you how this thing it works. That's why I've got the books. These books, they will teach you all this kind of stuff, so that next time when you approach this, you know exactly what you're doing. So guys, yeah, that's what it is for the 2 numbers. You can say 14, 48, 14, 46. Then down there, 11, 1, 15. It's just all about breaking the code in a good way. So these are for the starters. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one on Mega Million. Thank you very much. Keep on subscribing. Come join the WhatsApp group. Okay, I have to explain this. In WhatsApp group, you pay a joining fee, a certain fee. Then you are done. Then for the books, it's different. But normally what I do, if someone joins my group, make sure that I do a discount so that you can also have the books, because there are some people in my group who are doing very well. These guys, I've been with them for a long time. They're now crushing numbers like something else. Sometimes they remind me, coach, did you see that strategy, the old one? Then I'm gonna be amazed, because I want you guys to also know how to drive. You can't always be driving each and every time. Once you know how to drive, you will know that when you approach a stop sign, tell me, hey, there's a stop sign. Understand? It's always good to teach your people so that they can assist you also in future. Thank you very much, guys.